How to fix your device or TV is not part of the Netflix household for this account issue. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First step is to verify Netflix household setting. So open Netflix on a device connected to the primary household Wi-Fi and then go to account setting on your browser. Now under the Netflix household section, confirm or set up your primary location. Step 2. Connect to primary Netflix household. Take the device to primary household if possible and connect to the same network to verify it's part of the Netflix household. This may remove the restriction for future use. And step 3, you can update your account setting. For additional access, log into your Netflix account and then go to account setting and select manage extra members and add the device or user and pay the additional fee. Also make sure you are using proper working internet connection, and if not, connect to a proper working internet connection. So these were a few fixes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.